Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change region or country on Fortnite. The first thing you do is you log in to your Fortnite account with your credentials, then you click on the profile icon at the top right corner, click on account, then from account setting, scroll down. You can see country, region for your address. This is communication. So this is country and region. Tap on it. Then you now change it to the preferred country or region. It's as simple as that. Once you're through, click on save changes. So changing content might mean different privacy rules for your account, and you may not be able to use some features. Confirm by clicking on confirm. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.